I have an editorial makeup look that I want to try today. I tweezed my brows up so that we could have some freedom. I ain't even moisturized yet, bruh. I was like, I'm dry. Why am I so dry? Okay, I need my primer. Nivea cream as my moisturizer today. And I'm also gonna use the Essence Jelly Grip Hydrating Primer. Don't you see the difference that moisturizer makes? Wow. I look like I just came back to life. Alright. First things first, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. What shade is this? Flat White Corrector. And I'm gonna put them on my brows. Any type of hue, literally any type of hue, you gotta go. Because the color of these brows, a very specific color that I want, and I'm not playing. Ugh, come on. Help a diva out. Diva in distress. Diva in distress. Can y'all see me good? Ooh, they're looking a little gray. I'm on to something, guys. Let me cook.
Get your sexy on.
For the moment we've all been waiting for, I'm gonna make my brows pink. I'm gonna make my brows pink. We're gonna use this color. I'm trying so hard not to touch it because yes, the brow is pink, but right now you can't tell because of the color of my skin. I'm just too rich. I'm too rich for this color. Literally too rich. I can see it in person, but on here it looks a little non-existent, but it's there. I knew it. I knew I'd look cute with pink brows. I just fucking knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I told you guys. I told you. Because I'm over here low-key having a panic attack. I just projected on you guys. I projected. I'm being a projector. I literally was freaking out because I was like, oh my god, you can't see it on camera. But girl, y'all see it. Just wait till I put the concealer on. All right. Why do I talk to the camera like an episode of Blue's Clues? That was quite the sentence. An episode of Blue's Clues. Right now, I think I'm being so funny. Let's hope it stays that way when I edit this. Oh my god, look at that color. I'm gonna cry. This is gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited. I'm excited. Think of what we could do. You could still be with the wizard. Okay. That's gonna be quite the concealing job. Dude, we're already at 2 hours. I just started. I'm gonna use a white concealer today to conceal my brows. Color theory is a motherfucker, ain't it? I've been waiting to say that. This is a work of art. Look, I always sound like I'm about to start rapping. It's gonna look scary before it's gonna look scary before it looks good. So I already just got a glimpse, Raven Baxter, into my future. Woo! Girl, y'all ain't tell me it was gonna be this hard to carve these out. Why didn't y'all warn me? I'm literally a canvas. This is like my favorite problem to have. Making sure my brows are even. My colored brows. I feel like my brows just went back to the same size. That's it. I have eyebrow blindness because, girl, those are not the same size they were before. I want them as close to identical as I can get them. I'm not playing. I mean, if you don't look like this, if you don't give clown, if you don't give while you're doing this, what are we here for? This has been now that everything has been blended, it's time for foundation. Just so that that blend from concealer, that bright concealer I put down here, and contour is more seamless. I'm gonna go in with my second round of concealer. It's the Juvia's Place concealer in number 16, the shade number 16, on the outskirts right here. And then I'm gonna put that white color right here. Let it sit for a while so that she gets tacky and juicy and Now that I've concealed, I'm about to set my face with the Wet n Wild powder. I mixed it in with some HD powder. I don't know if I'm making the greatest decision ever right now, or if I'm making the biggest mistake of my life. Doubt it's the second one. I will be putting white eyeshadow on my eye instead of using like a setting powder to do it, because I just need more pigment so that what I'm about to do will show up on my eye. 1 second, blend it, because I don't need no creasing. No, do not play with me. Do not play with me. Really get it in there. Go over the areas that crease the most, like multiple times. And I'm just patting it on there. I'm not doing a whole bunch of craziness. I'm not going back and forth because that's just gonna disrupt the concealer. I'm gonna put a little white in my inner corner region. Ah! Okay, the eyeshadow color I will be doing today is gray. The shade Drizzle by Beauty Bay all over my lid. Should I just pack it on? Just pack it on. I'm just gonna pack it on. I'm putting Threat by Beauty Bay on the outer V area of my eye just to deepen the look. I think we gotta go more gray with the gray. It felt like not editorial enough, so I just did a negative space type of thing. Should I do concealer or should I just leave it? So I'm kind of doing like a butterfly vibe, and I'm just doing like circular motions. Okay, so I'm a little overstimulated. Girl, I've been sitting here for like what, 4 or 5 hours? Enough of the cute shit. I gotta blend, bitch. So I got a P2. So I want to in that negative space a little bit. And then I'm going to take Cosmopolitan by Beauty Bay right in that area. Right. And then I'm going to take this brush, take some white powder, and put it back in that negative space just to wash out the blush a bit. I put some bottom lashes on, but I went a little more exaggerated. Just fuck it. I like it. I don't know. I just like how it looks. So. Okay, lips time. But what the fuck? Okay. Okay. Lip liner hurts. Lip liner fucking hurts. Light pink moment on my lips. Is this? Perfect. That's exactly what I want. Ooh, that's a cute lip combo. It doesn't match the pink brows, but I think that's what I like about it. Should I spray now? I think I'm gonna spray now. This is so pretty. Look at that. Okay, I started this at 6. It's 12. Should I add lip gloss or be a grown woman? I learned this trick. I don't know who I saw do it, but they took this lip gloss and instead of putting it on the outside, they just put it on the inside of their lip, like right here. See that? They just put it right there. Oh fuck yeah, that's tea. I'm trying to move it around a bit. See, this is why I can't do shit like that. This is the final look. Let me close my eyes and, you know, with the pink brows. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. This is the glam. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. And this is the final look. Yeah. So the next thing you'll see is my pictures. Yay. See ya. Thank you.